everyone, welcome to English Pro. आजको भिडियोमा हामीले छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सको प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ। तपाई इंग्लिश बोल्न चाहनुहुन्छ तर थाहा छैन कि कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने। स्टार्ट गर्नुहोस् यही बेसिक सेन्टेन्सेसबाट, जस्तो कहाँ, कहिले, कसरी, हैन, कुन, के जस्ता क्वेशन वर्डले तपाईको इंग्लिश कन्भर्सेसन सुरु गर्न सजिलो बनाउँछ। ओके, तपाई भिडियोलाई इन्डसम्म नि हेर्नु होला र तपाईलाई यही जति पनि यो भिडियोमा सिक्नुहुन्छ त्यसलाई तपाईले याद गरेर आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस पनि गर्नु होला। है त, सुरु गरौँ। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। What is this? What is this? यो के हो? What is this? What did you say? What did you say? तिमीले के भन्यौ? What did you say? What happened? What happened? के भयो? What happened? What is that? What is that? त्यो के हो? What is that? What do you want? What do you want? तिमी के चाहन्छौ? What is the time? What is the time? कति बज्यो? What is the time? What's yours? What's yours? तिम्रो कुन हो? What next? What next? अब के? What now? अब के गर्ने? What now? Where are you? Where are you? तिमी कहाँ छौ? Where is he? Where is he? ऊ कहाँ छ? Where is the key? Where is the key? चाबी कहाँ छ? Where do you live? Where do you live? तिमी कहाँ बस्छौ? Where are they? Where are they? उनीहरू कहाँ छन्? Where are they? Where is mom? Where is mom? आमा कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is the book? Where is the book? किताब कहाँ छ? Where did you go? Where did you go? तिमी कहाँ गयौ? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? मेरो फोन कहाँ छ? Where is my phone? Where to sit? Where to sit? कहाँ बस्ने? How is it? How is it? यो कस्तो छ? How is it? How did you do it? How did you do it? तिमीले यो कसरी गर्यौ? How did you do it? How was your day? How was your day? तिम्रो दिन कस्तो भयो? How was your day? How do I look? How do I look? म कस्तो देखिन्छु? How do I look? How is your work? How is your work? तिम्रो काम कस्तो छ? How is your work? How can I help? How can I help? म कसरी सहयोग गर्न सक्छु? How can I help? How is your health? How is your health? तिम्रो स्वास्थ्य कस्तो छ? How is your health? How was it? How was it? त्यो कस्तो थियो? How was it? How is she? उनी कस्ती छिन्? How is she? उनलाई कस्तो छ? How is she? That's mine. त्यो मेरो हो. That's mine. It's yours. It's yours. त्यो तिम्रो हो. This is good. This is good. यो राम्रो छ. I got it. I got it. मैले बुझे. Not now. अहिले होइन. Not now. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आऊ. Go there. Go there. त्यहाँ जाऊ. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एकछिन पर्ख. Be quiet. Be quiet. शान्त बस. Hurry up. Hurry up. छिटो गर. Which one? कुन हो? कुन चाहिँ हो? Which one? Which is better? Which is better? कुन राम्रो छ? Which way? Which way? कुन बाटो? Which color? Which color? कुन रङ? Which one is yours? Which one is yours? त्यो कुन तिम्रो हो? When is it? When is it? यो कहिले हो? When will you come? When will you come? तिमी कहिले आउने हो? When will you come? When did it happen? When did it happen? यो कहिले भयो? When to eat? कहिले खाने? When to eat? When is the meeting? When is the meeting? बैठक कहिले हो? When is the meeting? Where is it? Where is it? यो कहाँ छ? Where is it? Where did you go? Where did you go? तिमी कहाँ गयौ? Where is the shop? Where is the shop? पसल कहाँ छ? Where is the shop? Where to start? Where to start? कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने? Where to start? Where is your house? Where is your house? तिम्रो घर कहाँ छ? How many people? How many people? कतिजना मान्छे? How many books? How many books? कतिवटा किताबहरू? How many students? How many students? कतिजना विद्यार्थी? How many pens? कतिवटा कलम? How many pens? How many times? कति पटक? How many times? How much is it? यसको कति हो? How much is it? How much money? How much money? कति पैसा? How much time? कति समय? How much time? How much water? कति पानी? How much water? How much rice? कति चामल? How much rice? Who is he? ऊ को हो? Who is he? Who called? Who called? कसले फोन गर्यो? Who said that? Who said that? त्यो कसले भन्यो? Who said that? Who are they? उनीहरू को हुन्? Who are they? Who took it? Who took it? त्यो कसले लग्यो? यो कसले लियो अथवा त्यो कसले लग्यो? Who took it? Why not? किन होइन? Why not? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? तिमी दुखी किन छौ? किन तिमी दुखी छौ बोल्नु पर्यो. Why are you sad? Why are you late? तिमी ढिला किन भयो? Why are you late? Why this one? यही किन? तिमीलाई यही चाहिँ किन भन्नु पर्यो. Why this one? Why go there? त्यहाँ किन जाने? Why go there? Is it done? Is it done? कि यो सकियो? Is it done? Are you ready? कि तिमी तयार छौ? Are you ready? Any problem? कुनै समस्या? Any problem? What for? के को लागि? What for? Need help? Need help. सहायता चाहियो. Need help. What is wrong? What is wrong? के गलत भयो? What is wrong? What's wrong? What's the plan? What's the plan? योजना के हो? What's the plan? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? खानामा के छ? What's for dinner? What do I do? What do I do? म के गरौँ? What do I do? What's the price? What's the price? मूल्य कति हो? What's the price? Where to go? Where to go? कहाँ जाने? Where to go? Where are we? हामी कहाँ छौँ? Where are we? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? सबैजना कहाँ छन्? Where is everyone? Where did it go? Where did it go? त्यहाँ त्यो कहाँ गयो? त्यो कहाँ गयो? Where did it go? त्यो कहाँ गयो? Where do I sit? Where do I sit? म कहाँ बस्ने? When to call? When to call? कहिले फोन गर्ने? When do we start? When do we start? हामी कहिले सुरु गर्छौं? When do we start? When will it end? When will it end? यो कहिले सकिन्छ? When are you free? When are you free? तिमी कहिले खाली हुन्छौ? When are you free? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तिम्रो जन्मदिन कहिले हो? Who are you? तिमी को हौ? Who are you? Who is there? Who is there? त्यहाँ को छ? Who is coming? Who is coming? को आउँदैछ? Who made this? Who made this? यो कसले बनायो? Who made this? Who knows? Who knows? कसलाई थाहा छ? Who knows? कसलाई थाहा छ? कसले जान्दछ? Who knows? How is that? How is that? त्यो कस्तो छ? How is that? How to do it? How to do it? यो कसरी गर्ने? How to do it? How far is it? How far is it? कति टाढा छ? यो कति टाढा छ? How far is it? How is your family? तिम्रो परिवार कस्तो छ? How is your family? How's work going? How's work going? काम कसो चलिरहेको छ? How many kids? कतिजना बच्चा? How many kids? How many days? कति दिन? How many days? How much is this? यो कति हो? How much is this? How much milk? कति दूध? How much milk? How many times a day? दिनको कति पटक? How many times a day? Which one is right? कुन सही हो? कुन चाहिँ सही हो? Which one is right? Which do you like? कुन तिमीलाई मन पर्छ? Which do you like? Why so late? यति ढिलो किन? Why so late? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तिमी किन रुँदैछौ? Why are you crying? Why not to try? Why not try? किन प्रयास नगर्ने? Why not try? Is it true? Is it true कि यो सत्य हो? Is it true? Is it ready? Is it ready कि यो तयार छ? Can I come? कि म आउँ? कि म आउन सक्छु? Can I come? Shall we go? जाउँ त? के हामी जाने त? भन्नु पर्यो. Shall we go? Are you sure? के तिमी निश्चित छौ? Are you sure? Alright guys, that's all for today. यो भिडियो तपाईलाई कस्तो लाग्यो? तल कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् र यो भिडियो शेयर गर्नुहोस् त्यस्तो साथीहरूलाई जसले इङ्ग्लिश सिक्न चाहनुहुन्छ. Practice daily, speak clearly and grow confidently. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Pro channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.